Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a YouTube banner in Canva that displays correctly on every device. This is my second video in my channel setup series. In the first video, I show you how to create a new YouTube channel and configure all the essential settings. If you missed that, I add a cap up here, but today we are focusing especially on your banner. By the end of this video, you know how to create a professional looking banner, even if you never used a design software before, so let's get into it. But first, let's talk about why your banner matters. Your banner is one of the first things people see when they visit your channel page. It helps communicate who you are and what kind of content you create, and give your channel a more professional appearance. You can use your banner to show your upload schedule, promote a course or products, display your social media handles, or just reinforce your brand with colors and pictures that match your content style. But here's the critical thing most beginners miss. Your banner needs to work on every device. When you upload a banner to YouTube, the full image is 2560 pixels by 1440. But that entire image is only visible on TV. On a desktop computer, YouTube crops the image and only shows a portion of it. On a mobile, it shows even less. This means if you're not careful about where you place your text and important elements, they'll get cut off in certain devices. This is called the safe zone. It is an area of your banner that's visible on all devices. You want to pull all your important content inside this zone. Your text, your logo, and any image or graphics that matters. Everything outside the safe zone might be visible on larger screens, but you can count on it. So if it is important, keep it in the safe zone. Now let me show you how to create a banner in Canva. I show you two methods: using a template, which is the faster way, and doing it from scratch, which give you more control. I use Canva because it is easy to use and affordable. The free version has plenty of tools for beginners. If you want more feature later, Canva Pro is about $13 a month, which is way cheaper than Adobe Photoshop, which costs around $60 per month and requires the entire Creative Suite. Canva is also much easier to learn if you're not a designer. You can get results quickly without having to watch hours of tutorials. If you want the link to Canva and other tools I use, check the description below. Alright, open Canva and search for YouTube banner. Canva already has the correct dimensions preset, so you don't have to worry about sizing. Now you'll see tons of templates. Using a template is the fastest way to create a banner. Pick one that matches your style, customize the text and color, and you are done. But here's something important. Many of these templates don't properly account for the safe zone. See this template? It looks good, but if we think about how it displays on desktop or mobile, some of these text and elements will be cut off. If you use a template, you need to move all the important elements into the center safe area before you download. Just drag everything important into that center rectangle. Here's the before and after. Much better. Now it will look good on every device. Now let me show you how to create a banner from scratch. Start with a blank YouTube banner canvas. The first thing you need to do is set up guides so you can see where the safe zone is. So go to Files, then Settings, and turn on Show Rulers and Guides, or just press Shift+R on your keyboard. With rule visibles, you're going to add 4 lines to create your safe zone box, 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines. Here's the exact measurements. Don't worry if you're off by a pixel or two, and these lines won't show up on your final exported image, they're just guides. Perfect, now you have a safe zone mark and everything inside this box will be visible on every device. Now you can start designing. Change the background color if you want, add your logo or a photo. If you have Canva Pro, you can remove image backgrounds. Add text, maybe a tagline about your channel, your upload schedule, or whatever information you want to communicate. Just make sure everything stays inside the safe zone box. Keep your design simple and readable. You don't need to be a professional designer. Simple and clear is better than cluttered and complicated. When you're done, click download. Canva exports you at the correct size for YouTube. Now go to your channel, click customize channel, and under the branding tab, you'll see where to upload your banner. YouTube shows you a preview of how your banner looks on TV, desktop, and mobile. Check it here to make sure everything looks good before you save. If something's cut off, go back to Canvas, adjust it, and re-upload. And that's it. That's how you create a banner in Canva. And if you don't have a banner yet, go and create one. Use a template if you want speed, or start from scratch if you want more control. Either way, just get it done. You can always change it later as your channel evolves. Don't overthink it, just make something that looks decent and represents your content. And if you want to learn how to create a better video intro that keeps you and watching, check out my next video over here. A strong intro makes a huge difference in viewers retention. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.